Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw a cheerful carrot. So grab your drawing tools, find a comfy spot, and let's start drawing. It's going to be super easy and a lot of fun, so are you ready? Start by drawing the carrot's body with a triangle shape, but make the corners nice and rounded. Think of it like a long, curvy V shape. Add 4 or 5 little leaves right at the top. Look at those cute green tufts. Now, let's draw the eyes using 2 simple circles. Give it a big, beautiful smile. Add more detail to the eyes by drawing small circles inside them. These are the little sparkles that make the eyes shine. Next, color the eyes black, but remember to leave those tiny white circles blank. Just like that. Now it looks like it's twinkling. Let's add some tiny lines on the body for more detail. Just a few little dashes to give it that carrot texture. And there we go! It's all done and ready for some color. You've done a great job with the drawing part. Color the carrot's body with a bright orange. Orange is such a warm and happy color, isn't it? Be careful around the face. Don't color over the eyes. Take your time here, we want to keep those eyes nice and clear. Use green for the leaves at the top. Green and orange look so good together. Wow! Our cheerful carrot is finished! It was so easy, right? Why not try drawing another one and pick your favorite color this time? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.